Morning, students. This is a other topic in talent management, that is retaining talent. Here, into the talent management, every employee must retain their talent, because everybody has a lot of talent, but the people are not able to find it is my talent. So at the time, the management of the company is going to give a proper guidance and give a proper motivation to the employees to retain their actual talent. By that, the company has a uh, lot of benefit to improve the productivity. In this concern, here introduction is called introduction for the retained talent. We are living in time where company loyalty doesn't mean workers moving from job to job for the next best thing. Business have realized that they must promote workplace as an ideal location for the top talent. When you are joining in an organization, there the company is going to give a proper loyalty to the employees. How you can take a own decision. You can feel free to do the work without any stress. All these are called a loyalty. That means the workers move from one job to other job. We will change the employees to one place to other place. There they have to learn a lot of new skills. And also, business have realized that they must promote workplace as an ideal location. And the people who has a talent, they have for them, we retain talent. Top talent is a struggle for many business, but there are several things you can do to sticking talent employees in the organization, because the management is always give a proper guidance to the people to retain their skills, to promote their self, and also to change their job from one place to other place. Okay, it is also very important. For that, some of the tips are there for retain the top talent. What are those? We just see here. That first one, encourage flexibility. Under this, today workers want to mobility and flexibility in the workplace. That means in today's in every organization, the management is going to provide a mobility. That means a mobility from one place to another place, and also we will give a chance to the flexibility in the workplace. That means the flexibility of workers are not only happier but also more productive. When we have to give the proper uh, independence to the employees in the organization, they have to move very flexible towards the work. By that, the flexibility is giving more happy to the employees, as well as the good product the company has, so that allow your employees the mobility they desire, and they will likely stick around long and have a more positive impact on your business. When we have to provide that type of flexibility, and we have to encourage the flexibility of employees, there the people are involved into the work, and they have to stick around long and have more positive impact on our organization. So we will encourage them. If you have every employee has a talent. When we have to give encouragement towards the work, they always do hard work for good productivity. Next, level of your employees engagement. Only at the new employees are fully engaged in their new role in this time and money in developing the right strategy and implementing the right technology to ensure your engagement is both up to date, impactful. When we have to engage the employees in our organization, we have to find their skills. The new employee always fully engaged. That means they have a full of knowledge, and they have very much eager to perform their role, because he is a new person. He is enthusiastically want to do something. That's why it is called a new role. in this time the money in developing the right strategy. And also we have to provide the salary. First time they have to first time they have to receive the salary by the terms of money. The people has a more impact on their mind to improve their strategies, to improve their talent, the strategy, and implementing the right technology to ensure your engagement towards the employees engagement. We have to implement a new technology which the people has to access that properly. So that means we have always up to date towards the employees as well as technology. Both are very much useful to company development. Okay, next, create programs for recent college grades. Most of the students stay at their first job for less than 1 year. First year, many technological companies are creating and implementing programs. That means the colleges, the companies are going to give a good programs to improve their talent. That means in first year, they have some enthusiastically improve their talent. They have to show something to the company and for improve their career. So that in that situation, they have to implement a new programs to create a good to retain the good talent of the students well in the organization. Next, provide a frequent constructive criticism and praise. Always criticism is a negative. When we have to take it as a negative, it is negative. When we have to take it as a positive, it is a positive. So here, when we have to criticize others, it is not like a negative way. It is in the way of criticism is going to constructively. That means negative criticism can kill motivation. So there is a time for constructive criticism. That means when we have to criticize the people, that means we have to give them, this is a wrong you have to done, you have to do something, it is very much false. Like, we have to give proper criticism that is in the manner of constructively. That constructive criticism is useful to the people to improve their talent. That means a best communication is a proper way of developing their career. That means the criticism is always focus people who has criticized others, that is useful to their career. That means we have to show them what the mistake was the people are done. That mistake is going to be give in proper constructive criticism way, and they have to know it is my fault, so I have to be I have to be rectify that problem, and I have to learn more skills by that. Like, the people are feel in a constructive criticism. These are all the things are useful to retain the talent of the employees.